Now this is the main home screen. You can see the map here, the car and audio and that kind of stuff right there. There is a little button down here by the hazard lights that says assist. You can press that. It's not technically a button, it's a panel because everything in this vehicle is like based on haptic feedback, and this pops up, assistance system settings. Now, I'm going to X out because I'm going to show you another way to access it. You can press this blue square, and then you can scroll down once, and then look, Assist Systems is right there. Same thing. This down here is just a shortcut. Adaptive Cruise Control. You can actually determine how you want the adaptive cruise control to work. And that's all right there. You can see distance is medium right now, and I'm going to press information. This function maintains the distance to the vehicle ahead while taking into account the speed set. So last distance selected, and then I'm actually going to, I like medium. Yeah, I like medium. So lane keeping system or lane assist, that is on, but what that does is it vibrates the steering wheel if you want it to, and it also turns the steering or nudges the steering wheel to keep you inside your lane. Lane change system side assist. I really like this feature and I want to show you something here. So I'm going to deactivate it and then I'm going to reactivate it to show you what it looks like. I just turned it off, and now you see that panel right there inside that mirror. A lot of systems just have a little bitty icon that's right there, but this has a whole light that's right there, and I'm going to reactivate it now. And look at that. And it's not as bright through the camera as it is in person. Here, I'm going to do it again. But that is a fabulous feature, and it's on both the driver's side and the passenger side, of course. And that is your lane change system. So if you look over to your mirror and you see that light lit up, then that means someone is in your blind spot. And that is absolutely fabulous because it's not just this little bitty icon that's easy to miss. You can actually see it really well in your peripheral. That is a great job with that system, VW. I wish other ones would do that. Dynamic road sign display, and this is also for your, this also will show in your heads up, but this will actually show you, let's go visual information. This function displays applicable road signs that help direct your attention to traffic situations. So it can actually show you in your heads up and also on the dash in between the speedometer and the tachometer what road signs are coming up. Stop signs, yield signs, things like that. So that's right there. And then front assist, autonomous emergency braking. We recommend deactivating front assist. Please confirm, and I'm going to cancel that. But what that is it helps to reduce the likelihood of rear-end collisions and collisions with vehicles and pedestrians. In the best case scenario, it can help avoid such collisions. I always recommend that being active. That's a great feature. Emergency assist, SOS. So this it will intervene if you can no longer actively control the vehicle in an emergency and brakes the vehicle to a stop. So that is all of your safety systems and how to customize them according to the way you wish. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day.